Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trending crochet ideas. So don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. These animal designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these ideas. So viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these ideas. Guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique design. You can design your animals with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet animals collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new design and new ideas related to crochet animals. These articles are very attractive for kids. Kid likes to play with them. Guys, crochet things represent our cultural beauty. These articles used for homes decoration. If you all love these articles and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me and remember me in your best friend. See you soon in next new video. Allah Hafiz friends.